Alright, when you're using a coil to reinforce the joint at the bottom, I've cut this cylinder so that you can see what I'm doing inside. You'll want to get a long-handled, stiff-bristled paintbrush so that you can reach clear down inside and work some moisture into that corner. You're not going to be able to score very effectively if you can't reach your hand inside, but do what you can. And you're going to want to score it so that it's going to be blending that clay out. Hopefully this is when the clay is still pretty soft, but the key is going to be compression to make this joint work as much as anything else. So score how you can, get some more water, re-slip if that is stiff enough that it dried it out. When you put that in there, get that all ready for the coil, and you'll just have to kind of drop the coil down inside. It doesn't need to be very big. But you just kind of drop the coil down inside, and then you'll use a tool like the back end of your potter's knife or something to reach into the corner and just kind of guide it into the corner that you're trying to compress and squish it there into the corner. Part of the reason I've made these tools is because they'll get down inside of little areas, and you'll squish that, and you'll want to reinforce the outside. So hold your hand out here so that when you're pushing out and blending the part of it that's going out and up, when you're pushing out, you're not stretching it or making it want to crack. If you need to hold a rib on the outside to help it support, because your hand is kind of soft, then you kind of push into that. Blend the other part down. The normal throwing sticks tend to be good for that, so you can push this part down and spread it out there. And for a curved edge, you go around like that. For a nice sharp corner, you go around like that. And so you can compress and smooth that coil all the way around on the inside of your slab cylinder.